Hello my friends, and welcome to the restaurant. My name is Chef Kim Sutherland, and today, using Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix, we're making an amazing tempura style platter. Cut a variety of your favorite vegetables. Add water. Combine dry batter mix. Whisk all ingredients until combined. Dredge each item individually. Gently swim into the deep fryer. Be sure to turn each item over to cook thoroughly. Fry until golden brown. Use peeled, deveined, and butterflied jumbo shrimp. Dredge each item individually. Gently swim into the deep fryer. Fry until golden brown. Allow the excess oil to drain off. Plate your selection and serve with your favorite dipping sauce. This batter mix makes a tempura-style dish accessible to any kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me today in the kitchen. I hope we've inspired you to get creative with your Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix. I look forward to seeing you next time on the line.